China is the global epicenter of pigeon farming, producing over 700 million pigeons annually, nearly 80% of the world's supply. This is not a backyard hobby, it's a massive industrialized business. Huge farms, some with hundreds of thousands of birds, use advanced technology for maximum efficiency. Demand for pigeon meat or squab is high, fueling constant innovation and growth. The government supports these farms, recognizing their role in food security and rural development. Every step, from breeding to packaging, is tightly managed to ensure quality and consistency. China's dominance sets the global standard for pigeon farming, with other countries looking to its methods for inspiration. The industry is a key economic driver, blending tradition with modern science. Pigeon farming provides millions with a reliable source of protein. The sheer scale of production highlights China's unique position in the global food market. This is a story of specialization, scale, and agricultural ingenuity. China's pigeon industry is a powerhouse, feeding millions and shaping the future of food. Pigeons have a long history in China, once prized as messengers during the Ming dynasty. Their homing instinct made them invaluable for carrying information across vast distances. As technology advanced, their role shifted from communication to cuisine. People discovered the tender, flavorful meat of young pigeons, squabs, sparking a culinary tradition. Over generations, pigeon meat became a delicacy, especially in regions like Guangdong. In recent decades, small backyard coops gave way to industrial farms, driven by rising incomes and demand for quality food. Modern farms use scientific breeding and advanced technology to maximize production. Yet the cultural significance of pigeons endures. They remain a symbol of tradition and celebration. Today, pigeon meat is served at banquets and family gatherings, connecting past and present. The journey from ancient messenger to modern meal shows how traditions adapt and thrive. The pigeon story is one of transformation, rooted in history, vital in today's China. It's a bridge between heritage and modern life. Modern pigeon farming starts with scientific breeding. Farmers select the healthiest, most productive pairs at their breeding peak. These monogamous pairs are the foundation of the farm, producing new generations of squabs. On large farms, eggs are collected as soon as they're laid and replaced with plastic ones, encouraging continuous laying. The real eggs go to high-tech incubators, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Automated turning mimics natural conditions, boosting hatch rates by up to 40%. After 17-18 days, squabs hatch and are moved to warming chambers for their first day. Workers feed them a nutrient-rich formula, giving them a strong start. This controlled process ensures high survival and healthy growth. Once stable, squabs are moved to the main lofts to continue development. Every step is optimized for efficiency and quality. The result, a steady supply of robust, healthy birds ready for the next stage. Scientific breeding and technology have revolutionized pigeon farming in China. The industry's success starts with the egg and the science behind it. Precision at every stage sets China apart as a global leader. The future of pigeon farming is built on innovation. In the main lofts, technology and nature work hand in hand. Squabs are returned to their parents, with the father feeding them nutrient-rich pigeon milk. Automated systems handle feeding and watering, ensuring consistency and reducing labor. Hygiene is critical. Conveyor belts collect waste, keeping the environment clean and healthy. This reduces disease risk and supports rapid, stress-free growth. The pigeon's diet is scientifically formulated, shifting from pigeon milk to high-protein pellets, corn, and soybeans. Each bird's nutrition is carefully balanced for optimal growth and meat quality. Researchers continually refine feed formulas for better results. The lofts house thousands of birds in efficient, well-managed conditions. Automation allows farms to scale up while maintaining high standards. Cleanliness, nutrition, and technology drive productivity. Inside these lofts, tradition meets innovation, producing millions of healthy squabs each year. The modern pigeon farm is a marvel of agricultural engineering. Every detail is designed for efficiency, welfare, and quality. China's lofts are the engine of its pigeon industry. Squabs are raised to market weight, about 500-600 grams, in just 6-8 weeks. Timing is crucial. Harvesting at peak tenderness ensures premium meat. Workers gently capture mature birds, minimizing stress to preserve quality. Specially designed transport cages provide ventilation and comfort during the short trip to processing facilities. Proximity of farms and factories keeps travel time and stress low. The logistics chain is streamlined for speed and care. At the factory, birds are unloaded calmly and efficiently. Attention to detail at every step maintains high standards from farm to table. This seamless process is key to producing millions of high-quality squabs each year. The journey from loft to factory is a model of efficiency and animal welfare. Every stage is managed for quality, safety, and consistency. China's pigeon industry is built on precision and care. The result, a product prized across the nation. At the factory, automation takes over. Birds are hung on conveyor lines, moving swiftly through each processing stage. Modern plants handle over 1,000 pigeons per hour, combining speed with humane practices. After slaughter, rapid chilling preserves freshness and food safety. High-speed machines pluck feathers, then specialized equipment removes internal organs. Each bird is washed and inspected for quality. Only the best make it to packaging, others are removed. Vacuum packing extends shelf life and protects the meat. Some factories pre-season pigeon meat for ready-to-cook convenience. Finished products are boxed and stored in refrigerated units, ready for nationwide distribution. The process is designed for efficiency, hygiene, and top quality. Automation and strict quality control define China's pigeon processing. From arrival to packaging, every step is optimized. The result: safe, fresh, and delicious pigeon meat for markets and restaurants. China's factories set the global standard for poultry processing. Precision and speed keep the industry thriving. Pigeon meat is prized in China for its taste and nutrition. It's higher in protein and lower in cholesterol than chicken, packed with vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. Roasted pigeon is a celebrated dish, especially in southern China. Deep-fried and in soups, it's believed to have restorative properties. Pigeon meat is a staple at banquets and high-end restaurants. China's native breeds like Taihu and Shiki are valued for superior nutrition and flavor. Some local breeds have higher protein and lower saturated fat than the widely farmed white king pigeon. A vast distribution network ensures fresh and frozen pigeon meat reaches supermarkets and restaurants nationwide. The supply chain keeps this tradition alive on dinner tables across China. Pigeon is more than food, it's a symbol of health, tradition, and culinary excellence. Its popularity continues to grow as more people discover its benefits. The superfood status of pigeon meat is well earned. Pigeon farming is a lifeline for rural China, creating jobs and fighting poverty. Government support brings training, technology, and funding to local communities. In places like Shaanxi County, large breeding bases have created hundreds of jobs. Steady income from farming and processing transforms families' lives, improving housing, education, and healthcare. The industry offers diverse roles from hatchery work to logistics and quality control. Local businesses supplying feed and equipment also benefit, boosting the entire economy. Pigeon farming helps keep families together, reducing rural migration to cities. It empowers people to build better futures in their own communities. The ripple effect of pigeon farming strengthens rural China. It's more than an industry, it's a force for social and economic change. The future of rural China is taking flight, one pigeon at a time. Despite its success, China's pigeon industry faces challenges, especially disease prevention. Large flocks mean higher risk of outbreaks like avian influenza and salmonellosis. Strict biosecurity, regular vaccinations, and constant monitoring are essential. Farms enforce tight controls on visitors, vehicles, and equipment to keep pathogens out. Researchers are developing disease-resistant breeds and optimizing nutrition for better health and meat quality. Technology is advancing. Sensors and data analytics help monitor bird health in real time. Automation and innovation are making farms safer and more efficient. The industry's future depends on staying ahead of disease and embracing new technology. China's blend of tradition and science has transformed pigeon farming into a global powerhouse. Ongoing innovation ensures the industry remains resilient and sustainable. The humble pigeon, once a messenger, now symbolizes China's adaptability and progress. The story continues, driven by ingenuity and a passion for excellence. China's pigeon industry is soaring to new heights.